Welcome to Research Traveling. Today I am exploring Copenhagen to Odense by train, and tomorrow I will exploring Odense city. Why I am exploring Odense city? Because I am spending 1.5 years there. So we are exploring Odense city properly. In this video I will provide you detailed information how to reach Copenhagen to Odense. Odense is the third largest city and Copenhagen is the capital. So let's start as a journey. Now this is the Copenhagen train station and I booked the 2 train ticket, but I'm not buying as a seat reservation. So I came here in the DSB office and booked the 2 reservation tickets, so I can very easily sit, comfortable seat my own, and I can travel very easily. For the reservation point of view, you need to spend 30 Danish krona per seat. No matter your reservation is like today or tomorrow, but if you traveling, so you always book your train ticket 1 week ago, so you can receive as a very cheap price ticket. So let's start as the rest of journey Copenhagen to Odense. If you buy train ticket in Denmark in DSB application, so you receive the like 100 points for the 2 train tickets, and you can buy 2 coffee, 2 filter. Yeah, 2 filter coffee absolutely free. So we are buying 2 train tickets, and now I am receiving 2 filter coffee. Thank you so much. So this is the coffee.
वो टिश्यू ले लेना. वो कौन सा इसमें है?
I'm traveling this train like around IC 847 1229 Odense, platform number 8.
Das ist der Ausgang. Kann du der aufgesammelt werden?